Hey y'all, come on in the house today. It's fall, y'all. And so for the next few videos, I'm gonna be doing soups. And I'm doing a soup that is near and dear to my heart. It's called creamy peanut butter soup, and it is one of my recipes in the Paula Deen Southern Cooking Bible. It's hard to read upside down. It's a creamy peanut soup, and I am from Southwest Georgia, where peanuts are king. Peanuts and pecans, they are king. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start by sauteing onions and celery together in a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna make kind of like a roux. We're gonna add some flour, you know, to thicken the soup up. Okay, it won't take but a minute. So I've got, let's see how much I've got. I've got a small onion or a medium onion, 2 stalks of celery chopped. I've got 6 cups of, almost 7 cups of a chicken broth, and that's gonna be our base for our soup. And peanut butter calls for a 16 ounce jar of peanut butter, but it comes in 8. No, they don't make any more. 16.
They are messing me up.
I know. So 18 ounce. So I'll just leave a couple of tablespoons in the jar. The chicken broth looks good. And we've also got some sour cream over here and some green onion tops. So it's a very, very, very simple soup. There's a good chance that you have every bit of this in your refrigerator, you know? Okay, so in go the onions. Our butter is almost melted. So I want to show y'all something while this is sauteing. A friend of mine, Deen, cook, I received a big old box from her the other day, and I said, oh my gosh, what is that girl sending me now? She's just so sweet and so good about things like that. But I opened it up, and it was 2 Halloween wreaths, just in time for me to have them for the show. So y'all want to see them? Diane, thank you. She's just real talented. She sends me soap that she makes, jewelry.
She's amazing.
Yeah, she is. She's very, very good.
She's been with us for a long time.
A long, long time, yes. And you know, Woody, her sweet husband, passed away. And it was rather quick, so I hope that you're doing well, Diane. I think about you more often than you would know. All right, so you want to take them out there on the front porch and show them the resetting. Okay. So Diane, these are so cute, and I want to thank you. They were just right on time. And look at the witch's legs. She has done fallen into the wreath, and she got hung up. Same thing over here. Her twin sister got tied up in the and fell into the wreath. But isn't this adorable? Thank you so much, Diane. Happy Halloween to you. Okay, I'm gonna put in, this is about 3 tablespoons of flour. And it's just regular all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna cook this for a couple of minutes. And that's gonna be the tightening for our peanut soup. So we wanna just cook it long enough to get the floury taste out of it. All right, so I'm gonna take this over here. And which food processor did we decide was working?
The one on the right.
Okay. so in this goes. And we're gonna cream it right on up. We're gonna get it where it's very smooth. That was a great idea that you had, Teresa. All right, so look how nice and pureed that is. So I'm gonna put it back in our pot. And that flour is gonna make it smooth and thick. And I'm gonna get every bit of this out. Because y'all know me. Okay, I'll be back to clean you up later. Slam goes the doors. All right, so I'm gonna slowly add our chicken stock. I think I'm gonna need my little handy dandy whisk. We could make this for St. Patrick's Day. Look how green. Okay, so that's doing good. Our flour doesn't appear to have any lumps in it, which is good. So there we go. That's 6 cups of chicken stock, y'all. And let's see what's next. You stir in the flour and cook for 2 minutes. Slowly whisk in the broth. Bring that to a boil over high heat and reduce to a simmering. Cook until it's thickened. And that's gonna take us probably 10 or 15 minutes for that flour to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so now this has gotten slightly a little thick, and it's at this point that you would strain the celery and onions and just leave it a broth, but you know I did it in the food processor, so we're not gonna go through that step. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of peanut butter. And I'm gonna leave about 2 ounces in this jar. I've gotten where almost every morning I come in here and I fix me a muffin, an English muffin, and I put it in the air fryer and get it really toasty. And then I put a light coating of peanut butter on it, and then I drizzle it with honey. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And the air fryer just makes that English muffin with all those little holes all in it, makes it real crisp. And well, first I start with a little butter on it, and then I toast it. Oh, this looks good. Okay, I'm gonna change back to my whisk and make sure I break up all the peanut butter. Now it's kind of turning brown, isn't it, Eddie?
Yeah.
I still got peanut butter in my whisk. It's great that this is so simple. So simple.
Now, have you ever Can you eat this chilled, or is it best?
I would not. It would not appeal to me chilled, but that's not to say that other people wouldn't like it that way. Here's my pooper scooper. All right, and now I'm gonna blend in 2 cups of sour cream. Now, you don't want your soup like crab stew or a bisque. You don't want it that thick. You want it on the thinner side of soup. I'm going back to my whisk. Thank you, Teresa.
You're welcome.
Because it'll take just a couple of seconds to blend in that sour cream, because it wants to clump a little bit. Ooh, that peanut butter smells so good. So good, yeah. See it, Eddie, how it's kind of clumpy?
Mm-hmm.
It won't take long though for it to all be broken down. While I'm stirring this and breaking it down, I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt and pepper to it. About a half a teaspoon of pepper. And almost a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll taste it. We'll come back and check. And make sure it's seasoned properly for the people that I'm feeding. Oh, I like that coarse ground pepper in it. Looks pretty. Little black specks. You could use white pepper, but sometimes I just like to see the pepper in the dish. Okay, so it's about smooth now. Like I said, it doesn't take but a minute to incorporate all that sour cream. And I'm telling you what, I am just walking down memory lane today big time, because I'm gonna serve myself a bowl of soup in the bowls from River Bend Restaurant. And this is what my grandmother served her soups in to the customers. So it's a very nostalgic day. I treasure these pieces that I have left. All right, now I'm going to cut that down very, very low, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to garnish my soup with the scallions or green onions, and then I've got some rough chopped peanuts that I'm going to garnish it with, and that's it. That is it. So easy. So easy and so hot. Tell y'all right now, George Washington Carver was on to something. And we have him to thank for the expansion of the peanut. If you and your family like peanuts, y'all are gonna adore this soup. It's very, very good. It's so good. Would y'all have a bowl?
Sure.
Okay. When I get through eating mine, I'll fix you a bowl. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Sounds good.
Enjoy, y'all. Loving Best Dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.